What's up, Vechain holder? So what's going on? Today video is gonna be very special for all of you because my brother, Vechain price is absolutely take a very good pumps. But my friend, you can see here in those days the price is very badly fails down. So I found my friend some reasons. I also my friends discuss in this video. But please, we will need to predicate this coin. We will need to do a technical analysis to understand better to what's going on next, my friend, in this time, my friend. So please hold on. I have one request for all of you to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. My friends, when the price will pumps up, so that's clear, my friends, for upcoming days. My friend, in upcoming days after my friend, especially after a very bad dump, every coin holder are starting selling and they cannot holding. But sometime, my friend, when the holders are my friend are starting investing, so therefore I really like it, my friends. But sometimes, especially in those days like that, absolutely doing very bad now when a holder are starting selling. So therefore it's a very wrong decision. Please don't take this decision, otherwise you will also lose now. Please hold it and don't starting investing. So thanks for watching holder. Please like video and also subscribe this channel.